Are going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol XLIT, currently traded at 0.1. You guys see that there was a big move over here, and it looks like the gaps were filled multiple times. You guys had a big spike and down and down and down. 0.008 rather is going to be the support level. We're going to be looking. Up that line up there, it's been filled. The gap's been filled. Could be bouncing off this level. From here, you guys are currently sitting at another resistance level right here. There we go. Off of that, I could probably put the line up much higher. It really depends. I mean, everybody has their own opinion, but I think that it would probably be a little bit more right there around that area. That's gonna be good enough. Give you guys a general idea because we're not quite there. All right, so you guys come down, hit that 0.008 multiple times. The only problem is that the volume has dropped off, so it could end up pulling back down to that 0.008. If the volume does return, you guys hold that 0.1. My opinion is that 0.124 would come quick. My only concern right now with this stock is just volume. There's going to be nothing else that I could really add. The volume's not steady enough to make an accurate opinion on the price, but I'm just going to go ahead and fill you guys in on what's going on as far as the chart right now. Right here, 0.001 will need to hold. You can go ahead, Joe.
All right, so they had a press release on February 17th, and it was XLI Technologies Incorporated is not going out of business. So that's always a good thing to know, right? So XLI Technologies Incorporated is pleased to provide current updates, adjustments, and directions regarding its corporate position, status, and adjusted business development plan. XLI is currently preparing to file a formal complaint to the SEC regarding two parties in which they believe to be found causing financial damages, droit, moral, and effective XLI's value in the marketplace. This caused the company not to be in current reporting status, as well as having to extend the timeframe of all projections, including but not limited to the theater rollout installations. These two parties are as follows. Party 1, TradersChoice.com, James Schramm stated XLI and or all related affiliates has never entertained, considered, and or conducted any business of any kind with Trader's Choice. Party 2 is RDW Capital LLC, John DeNoble. James Graham commented RDW Capital LLC and John DeNoble provided a convertible note to XLI in the beginning, positioning as to support the success of XLI. Their undermining and unimaginable plan caught me by surprise. I confronted John DeNoble on the phone with my findings and suspicions. I feel that his reactions was unprofessional, to say the least. I feel that John threatened me, my family, XLI, and shareholders, as his behavior and verbiage seemed as if he was a loan shark. Mr. Schramm sent an email to John's RDW's attorney, David Danovich, Esquire, regarding the issue. As James Schramm states, my email to David was to allow an opportunity for clarity or confirmation of my suspicions. My email was simple: reply back to me to set the record straight, or do not reply back, in which I will assume the confirmation of my suspicions. James Schramm never received a reply back from David Danovich. All right, so I'm guessing that whatever this PR is, obviously there's things going on where people obviously think that XLI Technologies is going out of business, and they felt the need to obviously inform their shareholders by doing a press release to let them know, no, that's not happening. But I mean, this one right here, I'd go pull up the actual, go right on to the, what's the ticker? It's XLIT. Over on Investors Hangout, type that in. Go to XLIT. If you have any information or opinions on the company, feel free to share it on the message board with tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily. And then if you want to continue to read in this actual press release right here, you can click on the news right there, and you'll see it from February 17th. And then as for the company, I want to see where they're standing. All right, so right now I'm seeing a stop sign on it. I'm just gonna pull up the filings and everything. Let's get a better sense. I don't recall ever going over this.
No, we haven't. Go ahead, take your
Okay.
time.
Because I mean, obviously, that press release there's obviously things going on within the company. This pink no information is a stop sign right now. The latest filings on it was a RW. I'm not sure what the RW is. The SC13DA. All right, so on January 9th, there's an RW. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to pull it up. Pursuant to the rule force. All right, it's something in regards to via an Edgar filings and a filing to the Securities Exchange Commission. So, yeah, so there's obviously a lot going on with this company right now. It's definitely something you want to pay attention to, see what's going on, and do your due diligence because whatever is happening, obviously there's a lot of money or people. I mean, I never read an email like that or a press release like that before. That's all. And for a company to feel the need to obviously put something like that out, that's kind of telling of whatever. So if you guys have more of an understanding of the company, feel free to share it on the board. I'd love to know more about it.
All right. XLIT, like I said over here, 01 will need to hold. Otherwise, 08 is now. I want to make sure that I change that so I don't confuse anybody. So is now solid support, and 0124 resistance just needs more volume, in my opinion. That's going to be the only thing that you really need is volume here with XLIT. So if you follow the stock, as always, make sure you click subscribe right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. If you have another stock that you'd like to see us go over, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.